Good evening, friends. Satyamev Jayate, Satyam Vada Dharmachara. Welcome, Supreme Court Weekly Roundup from 7 September 2020 to 12 September 2020. Let's start updates. Refund of the airfare. Supreme Court allows airlines and stakeholders to file reply to the center proposal on flight ticket cancelled due to lockdown. Second, make advanced tax ruling system more comprehensive as a tool for settlement of the dispute. Supreme Court tells centered in a National Cooperative Development Corporation versus Commissioner of Income Tax. Third, a state government must fix reasonable charges for ambulance services. Supreme Court held in the case of the Earth versus Union of India. Fourth, loan moratorium and interest waiver. Higher level expert committee convening meeting and will take holistic decision in 2 weeks. Center tells Supreme Court interim order to continue held in the Gajendra Sharma versus Union of India. Fifth, Supreme Court allows NLSIU to conduct NLAT tomorrow, restrained from the declaring result and making admission held in the Rakesh Kumar Agrawal and another versus NLSIU, Bangalore and Sandal. Sixth, Supreme Court asked Adani Gas to deposit 3.2 crores for a stay of the recovery of penalty imposed by CCI for abuse of the dominant position held in a measure Adani Gas Limited versus CCI of India and another. Seventh, please seeks easy consent to initiate contempt against Rajdeep Sardesai over his tweets about Prashant Bhushan case. 8. Supreme Court refers Maratha court case to large bench as it involves interpretation of the Constitution 102nd Amendment Act 2018 held in the Dr. Jayasri Lakshmanaro Patil versus Chief Minister and others. And ninth, CBSE compartment exam. Supreme Court direct petitioner to serve notice on central government to consider prayer for the provisional admission to university matter posted to September 14. 10th, Supreme Court now grant interim bail to 22 NTCAA protesters after it's kept Karnataka High Court bail order state for 6 months. 11th, PR bill as of now, but don't know what test will say. Forced to sit separately. CGISA Bable Hill. Supreme Court dismisses fresh petitioners seeking postponement of the NEET 2020. Batch please. 13. Palghar launching 18 policemen punished after department inquiring. CBI probe not required. Maharashtra police tells Supreme Court. 14. Udu Malpet honor killing. Supreme Court agrees to hear appeal against acquittal of father accused of the murdering son-in-law for being lower caste. 15. Supreme Court directs states and union territory to file detailed affidavit stipulating measures for elderly care amid pandemic. 16. Criminal prosecution on same allegation cannot continue if its honoration in departmental proceeding is on merit. Supreme Court held in the Asu Surendranath Tiwari versus Deputy Superintendent of the Police EOW CBI. 17. Punishment of the dismissal from service is not disproportionate to corrupt employees. Supreme Court held in the Praveen Kumar versus Union of India. 18. Make advanced tax ruling system more comprehensive as a tool for settlement of the dispute. Supreme Court tells Center National Cooperative Development Corporation versus Commissioner of Income Tax. 19. Article 226. Read petition not maintainable against judicial order passed by the High Court. Supreme Court held in the Nilam Manmohan Atawar versus Mohan Atawar Next, NDPS trial is not vitiated merely because ownership of vehicle from which contraband was seized is not established. Supreme Court held. 21. Death occurred due to single stab injury can also attract section 202 of the Indian Penal Code, murder. And 22nd, I apologize from my heart, Advocate Yatin Oza tells Supreme Court as Supreme Court decide to wait for Gujarat High Court order. 22nd, Bangalore club not liable to pay wealth tax, hold Supreme Court held in the Bangalore club versus Commissioner of Wealth Tax. 24th, motor accident claims compensation for loss of consortium can be awarded to children and parents also. And 25th, Supreme Court asked Center to justify validity of provision in Mental Health Care Act criminalizing attempt to suicide, section 309 of IPC. 26, Supreme Court stay imposition of the NGT environmental compensation on thermal plant for 100% fly as non-utilization. 27, Supreme Court ordered to keep wide of the Char Dham highway at 5.5 meter as per the 218 MORTH circular. 28, Supreme Court seeks center response on plea seeking reopening of the religious places. 29, Supreme Court issued notice in the plea seeking for declaration of entire animal kingdom as legal entities having the same right as a human being. 30, UP top list in the sitting legislator accused of the heinous crimes. Its MP, MLA face trial in 4442 cases pan India. 31, Amish Devgan case, Supreme Court extend interim order staying investigation and coercive action till NDOS. 32, Supreme Court reserves order in plea seeking transfer of investigation from a state police to CBI in the case of the death of the NLUJ student. 33, Supreme Court stays summons issued by the Lok Sabha Secretariat Committee of the Privileges to Jharkhand SP. 34, uses of the disinfectant tunnels harmful, not recommended. Center tells Supreme Court. Let's finish the Supreme Court weekly update. We are trying to update on the respective High Court of the India, mainly focus on the 4 Metro High Court from the November onwards. So please give your feedback in our YouTube channel and try to share among the professional colleagues and advocates who are getting updation on the very short term period. So get a weekly recapitulate all the update in 1 or 2 lines. So that's really helpful to update on the legal pronouncement. So thank you so much for watching our news or our weekly roundup on Supreme Court. Thank you so much.